100 action verbs for beginners. In this video, we'll explore 100 fun action words with simple, kid-friendly sentences to help children build vocabulary, improve grammar, and boost confidence in speaking and reading. So, let's learn together. Everyday actions. Children, read with me. Run. I run fast. Run. Jump. You jump high. Jump. Walk. We walk slowly. Walk. Play. I play with toys. Play. Stands. She stands tall. Stands. Crawl. I crawl under the tire. Crawl. Climbs. He climbs up. Climbs. Hop. We hop together. Hop. Skip. You skip away. Skip. Creative and playful sentences. Paint. You paint red. Paint. Build. We build blocks. Build. Folds. She folds clothes. Folds. Color. I color pink. Color. Make. We make art. Make. Drink. You drink milk. Drink. Write. I write a letter. Write. Count. I count numbers. Count. Eating and cooking sentences. Eat. I eat rice. Eat. Cook. We cook soup. Cook. Bake. They bake bread. Bake. Steers. She steers eggs. Steers. Chops. He chops fruit. Chops. Taste. I taste honey. Taste. Wash. You wash grapes. Wash. Peel. I peel bananas. Peel. Serve. They serve lunch. Serve. Cleaning and helping sentences. Wash. I wash my hands. Wash. Sweep. You sweep dirt. Sweep. Wipe. I wipe spills. Wipe. Folds. She folds towels. Folds. Wipes. She wipes the table. Wipes. Waters. She waters plants. Waters. Carry. We carry bags. Carry. Picks. He picks trash. Picks. Scrub. I scrub floor. Scrub. Rinse. You rinse cups. Rinse. Help. They help mom. Help. Learning in school sentences. Write. We write words. Write. Draws. She draws shapes. Draws. Learn. I learn letters. Learn. Listen. They listen well. Listen. Share. I share crayons. Share. Thinking and talking sentences. Read. We read books. Read. Spell. We spell names. Spell. Count. They count stars. Count. Thinks. She thinks hard. Thinks. Ask. He asks why. Ask. Say. I say hi. Say. Tell. You tell jokes. Tell. Sing. We sing songs. Sing. Animal and nature action sentences. Feed. I feed chickens. Feed. Moose. The cow moose. Moose. The dog barks. Barks. Chase. You chase bugs. Chase. Feed. We feed dogs. Feed. Hug. They hug trees. Hug. Picks. She picks flowers. Picks. Waters. He waters plants. Waters. Catch. I catch fish. Catch. Dig. They dig sand. Dig. Morning and bedtime routine sentences. Brush. I brush my teeth. Brush. Wash. You wash your face. Wash. Comb. We comb our hair. Comb. Yawns. She yawns loudly. Yawns. Slips. He slips tightly. Slips. Wake. I wake up. Wake. Stretch. You stretch your arms. Stretch. Blink. We blink our eyes. Blink. Snores. He snores softly. Snores. Fun and school activities. Sentences. Play. We play tag. Play. Dance. You dance well. Dance. Laugh. We laugh loudly. Laugh. Clap. We clap our hands. Clap. Cheers. She cheers up. Cheers. Waves. He waves back. Waves. Hug. You hug tightly. Hug. Share. We share toys. Share. Animal fun sentences. Runs. The dog runs. Slips. The cat slips. Fly. Birds fly high. Fly. Swim. Fish swim fast. Swim. Jump. Frogs jump far. Jump. Run. Horses run fast. Run. Daily routines sentences. Wake. I wake up. Wake. Gets. She gets dressed. Gets. Brushes. He brushes his teeth. Brushes. Eat. We eat lunch. Eat. Go. They go home. Go. You are awesome, children. Thank you for watching.